Yeah, straight ahead.
I know.
All right. Looks like a good spot here.
Yeah, it does.
Like a little tent kind of thing.
We can actually like put branches on the sides.
Yeah. Yeah, it should be good. Nope.
No, the wind.
Tyler Morris here. We are in the woods with my buddy Tyson Peers.
Cheers.
We have found a tree where we can probably set up camp. We're gonna drop our stuff here and try to find some pine
To make the beds and
to make the shelter, the bed, and then we're gonna get cracking. So let's go.
woo! Lightweight. Feel lightweight. My back. You're gonna dig?
Yeah.
You wanna clear this, I guess? You're squat.
Touw.
Pitel. Så för dig.
Pas met de axe, friendly.
Net det?
Met de axe aan het zoeken te pry.
Why not me? Hey, wait on it, man. Hey, that's gonna be the fireplace. Eh?
Work smarter, kids, not harder.
More.
All right, guys, I have not eaten breakfast yet. I will be showing you the extreme healthy meal that I have brought.
Oh boy, Reese's?
Who do you think I am? Peanut butter sandwich. Cheers.
Huh?
Cheers.
Peanut butter sandwich.
No!
Yes! I caught that on camera. Here. Look at that. Green beans.
Lick it.
No, yeah.
All right, guys, so we have dug up everything. We're gonna sleep on each side. Now we're gonna go get some wood to cover up that side. So we have shelter from the snow and the wind. And then here's gonna be for our bags. And then we're gonna play chess. We're gonna have a firewood. All our stuff is still there. So let's go get some
Firewood. Shelter wood. Yeah. The seesaw. Right?
I saw you see with the seesaw, the saucy.
The seesaw.
By the way, huge gift from Mr. Peers.
Yep. Very nice upgrade.
From my $2 boots.
Yeah, you should get these boots, honestly. $100 on Amazon. No, $80. Minus 70 Celsius.
And still complaining.
No, I'm not complaining. Jeez,
Off camera, you should hear he's fucking
waterproof, insulated. Bro, my feet are on fire. Literally.
I can take them. I don't
Bro,
mind.
nah.
I'm freezing.
One each? No, just kidding. Literally, I can start the fire with this boot. You kick the wood, boom, fire.
You're not funny.
Yeah, I am. It's a bushcraft joke. How much to learn you have?
And you're a human joke.
Alright, that's done. Let's cut some trees!
We're going on a trip, a little trip. Tiens, me donner l'axe.
C'est sketch.
Oui.
Oh, attention. Bon, ouais, frette en esti de même, hein. Just saying.
Shit.
Ouf, c'est bon. Go, 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 go. Oh. Second out.
Jam, oui.
Alright guys, this is going to be the good size for the shelter. Plant this in the snow like that. So that's the perfect measuring stick. So we're going to keep that aside. Oh dude, plante ça au bout, on va être capable d'accrocher du shit après. Je l'ai fait.
All right, guys. Foundation is done. All we need now is some stuff to patch it up. And then we're gonna be able to do a little bit of the side walls and start a fire. Let's get back to work. All right, guys. We have started cutting down a bit of this tree that we can reach to insulate the base. Now we've found more over there. Therefore, I will be picking up my gloves and we'll be heading that way so we can finish that again and again. And then get to the meal. Not bad, eh?
Yeah.
Getting along. All right, get more. Cleaned up inside. Almost done with the wall. Tyson's gonna climb that tree so we can cover up the top, as well as get a bit of a footing for our mattress for installation. He's currently getting more over there. And then we're gonna get into the tree. But we've also cut down on the sides just to not get a branch in the face whenever we go under the shelter. And we have our starting firewood here, but we're gonna need a lot more later. As well, we decided not to do a firewall because it would be too prone to a fire. Instead, we're just gonna pile up snow there. So it's gonna cut off the wind, but honestly, there's not really much wind right now, especially with the wall. So we're gonna just stick to what we're doing, build the fire, then get a few good bites out of the meal, which is still a surprise. So let's go into the tree with Mr. P.
All right, I'm going to have to climb the tree to get more pine so we can do the bed and finish the shelter, the roof. I'll go. Oh, smooth.
Yes.
That's it. Oh! Oj, what's new?
You good?
Yeah.
I think that's gonna be enough for our beds. Some starting firewood as well.
I hope so, that's enough. Whew. Yeah. Oh my god, they moved the escalade, man. I survived. Let's go. Corona kick. Yeah, baby.
All right, guys, now let's put some insulation for the beds. Wow, man. I don't know about you guys, but that is looking hella clean. So we made a fence around. We have piers right there. We made a fence. We collected some wood whilst we were charging the GoPro. We made, obviously, the insulation.
Yeah. We dug up snow as well.
Yeah, around, if you can see. We really, just to insulate and not let any wind come through.
Yo, can you see me through it?
Not at all.
That means it's absolutely clean. No.
Woo! Also, we're going to be needing a name for this camp, so stay tuned for that. But we need to cut down that tree because it's dead, first of all, and then we also need some firewood. Therefore, let's go do that. Do that. Do that. Oh, as well, some censored action is going to be happening on the left side.
The toilet.
La toilette.
I made a shovel.
All right.
All right.
I don't know about you guys, but damn.
Yeah, we need to put our stuff in now.
Yeah, let's put the stuff in.
Yep.
Ouh. Ouh. J'ai pas mon bouchon de What? Manque de quoi? We'll see you guys in the next shot.
Hey boy. Alright.
Fuck off.
Knock on wood. Oh my god. Timber, bitch.
Yeet!
Oh, somebody's calling me.
Alright guys, we've put the mattress in. I don't know how, but from TNT Camp I had the cap on, lost that. Ah! Jesus.
Si bol, hein, la différence de mon sleeping bag et ton sleeping bag.
Damn, that is insane.
Very nice.
Alright, all set for tonight. Let's start the fire.
Yeah,
and
let's
we'll
do
get
that.
more firewood.
Go, go, go. Yeah. Alright guys, Tyler is getting some... The fuck? No, GoPro, come on. We got this for the fire starter, flint. We are in desperate need of a fire because it's getting dark and cold very fast.
We still don't have enough firewood yet, so we're gonna have to go collect a few more after this.
There you go, that's burning. Burn, baby, burn. We need you in our life. Fire, fire. Yes, we need you. Oh, we need you. We're so hungry. But I'm hungry. Are you?
Talking to Maurice here.
Maurice. Nice, very nice. We got fire.
Alright, let's get some firewood.
Yeah. Pork chop, chicken,
We're gonna start with the chicken, then get some wood, then eat the rest.
chili. Yeah, what you said. But we're gonna eat everything. So, where's my grill?
I didn't mind.
Huh?
I missed mine.
Oh, don't mind. Put the grill right here. Oh shit, eh? Fuck it.
Just a damn fourchette there.
Forgot the freaking Montreal spice, bro. I'm cheese, so we gotta eat it.
You're cheesed?
Oh, cheddar. Nice. All right, it's done. So which one you want?
One on the left.
There we go. It's gonna be hella hot. The sweat is out.
Wait, alright guys. This is my piece. Looking pretty good. Oh my god.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Ouais. Ça doit être bon.
Fucking we.
C'est sulfureux, man. Tout est meilleur sulfureux.
Alright guys, I'm gonna finish this. And we're gonna eat a bit more,
Cooking.
take a little break, and then we're gonna get some firewood. Alright, peace out. Cheers. See you guys in the next clip. Have the little Reese eggs that my mom bought me for Valentine's Day, because today is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, Peers.
I don't celebrate that.
All right. While I'm waiting for my Reese's, Tyson's cooking his pork chop. We ate, well, he's still eating his second poitrine de poulet. Mine is there. I'm not as hungry, and I really want to eat those Reese's because they've been in my bag for the whole day. And then we're going to cut a bit of wood and then play some chess, and then...
Yep.
So, without further ado, let's get them Reese's. Maurice is here, back at it again with a brand new video, and guys, today... Ooh.
Well said.
Cheers. Cheers again. Alright guys, finished collecting all the wood. Again, I mean, you can probably not see it, but we have the fire on, the water close so it doesn't freeze right here. And now we're gonna play a little game of chess before we knock the F out.
Yep. Super tired. Barely worked, my guy. You funny. Je vais l'enlever tout de suite.
All right guys, I don't know if you can see me, but we're going to bed. Just finished the chess game. I won, obviously. No, Tyson got this one this time. And we're gonna change, then go to bed, and see you guys in the morning for bacon and eggs.
Yes.
Rise and shine. We have some boucan.
Yep. We got fire. It's inside.
That's what she said.
Ça m'a dit bien, man.
Alright guys, about time I fucking wake up.
Yeah, bruh. Get your ass out of the bed.
My cocoon is keeping me inside.
Yeah.
For real, my boots are all heated up. Fire is starting. Oh my god.
Fait chaud en dedans. C'est ridicule.
Nothing like home.
Yes.
Oh oui. Dude, it's all chaude.
Ils sont chauds, mais oh fuck.
Oh, I love trees. All the smoke in my face. All right, I'm gonna heat up my gloves. All right, we're gonna clean out. So then we can eat breakfast.
Yeah.
Subscribe to Tyler Morris. All right, now we got to return the wood where it was, as well as the pine.
Yeah.
My
It's
new
not mad
plate,
stuff,
guys. Il était au complet.
C'est comme à moitié, ça.
Ouais. I don't know if you can see me, guys, but I'm about to enjoy the bacon.
Bacon! It's bacon! Right.
About scherper.
Fantastic.
Potato and eggs. Tyson's gonna eat a lot more because I'm gonna try this out for the first time. But I'm gonna let him eat from the pan first, and then I'm gonna cook mine a bit because I like mine a bit more cooked. So Tyson, you may now enjoy your meal.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm cooking my little bit left for the potatoes and eggs. Then I'm gonna eat that. Then it is go time.
Yep, going home.
All right, guys, we're gonna be done with this. I grab my little spoon. I'm gonna try this out for the first time.
Taste buds.
Taste buds. All right. Ooh.
Ah. Now be honest. It's just good.
Pretty good, actually. Like you said, some ketchup would have been nice.
Yeah.
Pretty good. All right. We're gonna finish this. Then we're gonna leave. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, comment what the name of this shelter should be, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Go check out my buddy Mr. Peers.
Link in the description.
And without further ado, peace. All right, ready? You ready?
Delicious. Wait. Yep.
All right, well,
That was fun.
peace out, camp.
Yes. I'll fucking kill you. I'll fucking kill you, man. Don't believe me.